wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best photo light boxes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Gordon & Bond Bright Box folds up into a compact package that you can easily carry anywhere. So if you're a traveling photographer, this one is a smart choice. It comes with an ebook of tips from experienced professionals, which is very helpful for beginners. The light is powered via micro USB and is made from waterproof polypropylene. However, the magnetic closures are too weak. At number 9, the translucent nylon fabric making up the Fancyst Studio LT16 tabletop allows a small amount of light to enter it, creating that infinity effect crucial to product photography. It can pop open suddenly when setting up though. The frame is very sturdy and it includes an integrated camera slit, but its build doesn't inspire confidence. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Gstar Photography 24-inch is constructed from a translucent material and comes with 4 backgrounds that are held in place by sturdy Velcro, giving you reliable shooting versatility in a relatively small package. The front section is detachable and it's easy to steam out any wrinkles. However, folding and unfolding it can be a pain. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for light boxes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, designed primarily for use with the camera on your cell phone, the Limo Studio 16 by 16-inch tabletop comes with a short tripod and a clip that's large and sturdy enough to hold the majority of mobile devices smaller than a tablet. It's a polyester construction with skid reduction pads on the legs, but the lights could be stronger. Moving up our list to number 6. If you need a setup you can travel with as easily as possible, you might want to reach for the Cowboy Studio 40-inch tent. Its frame is designed to fold down flat and pop back into shape whenever you're ready to start shooting. The fabric diffuses light nicely and it's available in several other sizes too. However, it wrinkles too easily. Halfway up our list at number 5, the rotating LED panels inside the Treville Portable Studio allow you to make nuanced adjustments to the reflections on and around whatever you're shooting. That can help you control the contours and highlights of products. It comes with 4 backdrop colors and a 1-year warranty, but the zippers are on the weak side. At number 4, the Shotbox bundle comes with glare shields to help you produce images without any unwanted bright spots. While it can be used with cameras, it seems best suited to smartphone photography, so if you normally take product shots on your phone, this is the one for you. It includes 4 infinity backgrounds, holes for top-down images, and a dimmer knob on the light. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Amazon Basics Portable Foldable offers more internal space than the majority of options on the market, making it a great choice for shooters with large products they need to capture. It's available with or without a tripod. It features a portfolio-style carrying case, a high color rendering index, and a 5600K LED array. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for light boxes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Niwa shooting tent offers 3,600 cubic inches of space that you can outfit with any of 4 included background cloths to add a touch of color to your session. You can shoot through a slit in the front panel or detach it entirely. It eliminates shadows and comes with a carrying case and a springy frame that pops it into shape. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the My Studio MS-20 includes a customized lighting kit and a single-piece hard cyclorama background for taking shots of large products without having to sacrifice the number of available shooting angles and depth of your photos. It comes with a 5000K color-corrected daylight bulb and curved seamless corners. This one's made in the USA. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for light boxes, or simply click beneath this video.